Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Imqiraas Tech. Today we are going to talk about Vivo V12 Pro. But before the start of the video, as usual, we are requesting to you please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and check out our other channel and website. Links are in the description. So let's start this video. Vivo is making progress and Vivo V12 Pro is the next device which is going to be a successor of its flagship series. And special thing about this new smartphone is that most of specifications are updated. Vivo V12 Pro is updated with a strong chipset which is Qualcomm Snapdragon 710. Suitable chipset for this phone whose price is also not too much high. To keep the price under the radar, Vivo's V12 Pro is gonna get an octa-core processor, and processor of the smartphone is divided into two different units where each unit is consist of 4 cores of processor. Vivo V12 Pro internet speed is going to hit its new limits because it is also speculated that this phone is going to launch with 5G internet support, which means that the new V12 Pro by Vivo is one of among many who going to launch with such a impressive technology. Samsung is also one of them, and Huawei is also making on 5G technology. V12 Pro seems to be the first one with such a type of technology. Under display of in-display fingerprint scanner is quite famous nowadays, and this brand has launched so many devices already, and Vivo V12 Pro is gonna be one of them who is going to launch with this new type of smartphone security. 6GB of RAM is pretty big deal for this class, but other variant of Vivo V12 Pro is also there with a RAM power of 4GB. Internal storage of the phone is 126GB, which you can expand with the help of SSD card up to 256GB. Speaking of V12 Pro's Android operating system is definitely Pie with a younger version of custom UI is coming out of box in this smartphone. The camera specifications are not confirmed yet.